Really, it all originates with trying to answer a burning business question that one of the execs had in terms of how are we performing in the various stores. So we use Tableau in that regard to actually analyze and slice and dice and see out each store's performance. Amaysim is Australia's award-winning low-cost mobile phone carrier. We operate on the Optus network and we're all about providing simplicity and low prices. We are working with multiple disparate data sources and we deal with call data records, which is essentially quite a large volume of data, so billions of rows. Tableau has actually allowed us and enabled us to actually visually see our data. One of the challenges that amaysim had was to be able to analyze where their sales were coming from. Was it coming from a particular store? Was it coming from a particular region? So I used Tableau to essentially draw in all the data, blend it together, and to be able to show senior management what was actually happening, both from a sales perspective and an activation perspective at the different stores. We also use Tableau for a different variety of purposes, from financial analytics, looking at why people actually poured out from amaysim, to actually HR analytics, where we actually look at different KPIs for the business. Before Tableau, it would take us weeks and months to actually analyze our data. Tableau essentially reduces the time to analyze any particular data set. So for example, if I receive a request from a senior management person, I'm able to use Tableau to turn it around in a very short span of time, often in hours. So with Tableau and its visual analytics capabilities, allowed us to actually slice and dice data of all sorts in a very short manner and respond to the business. All our senior leadership team is currently using Tableau dashboards for each of their functional areas. We have business leaders and specialists within the business proactively trying to ask questions of their data. I think Tableau is a great tool that allows people of all different skill levels, not just technology people or BI people, to answer questions of their data. Tableau is really central to our organization. I'm all about making real-time decisions with data. So Tableau is really empowering our business stakeholders to make better decisions.